KADENA is one of the greatest scaling Layer 1 open-source vault public blockchain networks on the planet. KADENA organization asserts that it can execute almost 500,000 exchanges each second. With the high exchange speed, KADENA doesn't need a Layer 2 scaling like others, for example, the Ethereum organization. KADENA makes blockchain open for everybody on the planet. KADENA as an environment gives security to Bitcoin, unrivaled throughput, for all intents and purposes free gas, and shrewd agreements. KADENA advances the highlights and versatility of the settlement shrewd agreement language. Settlement is coherent for non-designers additionally, and it can consequently identify bugs. The outline of KADENA, KDA, token. KDA is the local cryptographic money of the KADENA stage, which is utilized to pay for the KADENA administration's GAVE. The absolute stockpile is 1 billion tokens that are to be mined north of 120 years. 70% dispensed to diggers, 20% for the suppliers, 7% for financial backers, and others. Rest is for the donors. Token timetables and assignment are intended to give manageability. KADENA is produced through mining. Existing coins can be utilized in 3 ways. Mining is boosted by remunerations for each block which will diminish steadily throughout the long term. The absolute KADENA coin in the economy is 990 M, which implies 1 billion sent-off coins less 10 million consumed at the send-off. As of now, 98.8 million KADENA coins are available for use from January 2021 information. In any case, there is 10.8 million unreleased KADENA coin in the environment. It can be straightforwardly moved between clients. Payments for making another shrewd agreement. Paying the gas cost of executing a shrewd agreement. KADENA KDA has a wrapped rendition called WKDA, which permits it to work in the Ethereum organization and will empower it to cooperate with EVM-viable DeFi conventions. The organization has cooperated with Celo, Universe, CoinMetro, Flex, Record, Polkadot, Land, Wrapped, Zelcore to make interoperability and incorporation inside the organization. KADENA Specialized Investigation. The KADENA, KDA, cost has mobilized in the beyond couple of weeks, making better upsides in the everyday graph. The new send-off of wrapped KADENA coin on the Ethereum organization, carry-out of non-fungible tokens. The new posting is the purpose for the new KADENA cost activity. KADENA cost today is exchanging at $7.05. KADENA has a 24-hour exchanging volume $72,173,208.43. Current market cap is $1,204,811,363.58 with a flowing stock 171,287,601 KDA. The cost of KADENA enrolled in unsurpassed high of $28.25 in November 2021 and an unequaled low of $0.1213 in January 2021. The verifiable information on the everyday graph shows that the contrast between the worth of the initial cost and the end cost of KADENA KDA is pitiful. KADENA was executing a bullish energy and sideways pattern till October 17, 2021. From the second 7-day stretch of October 2021, KADENA cost began climbing. The cost of KADENA KDA took a rest somewhat recently of October 2021 and proceeded upswing till the cost contacted a record-breaking high. Market information shows that brokers began gathering KDA cryptos into their portfolios. Then, at that point, later, in November 2021 there was monstrous cost rise. However, in the end it began to fall. There was a minor spike in December 2021 when the cost rose once more, yet there was a destruction from that point forward, and from mid-February 2022 value unpredictability is noticed. A KADENA value drop can be anticipated for the following a few days. Prompt help levels are put around $5.190. Any cost dip under this is a sell KADENA sign. The obstruction of KADENA's cost is $10.549. The significant specialized markers are non-partisan. RSI is put at 59.17, which is a non-partisan zone. The MACD line has crossed the sign line, which shows recuperation. Investigating the specialized examination in view of EMA, the typical cost of KADENA is exchanging past its 20 EMA and 50 EMA. According to the conjectures, we can expect the cost pullback in KADENA an incentive for the close to term. Subsequently, the cost could reflect long-haul acquiring potential. Starting from the beginning of the year 2022, value unpredictability is seen till now. KADENA value forecasts, 2022 to 2026. The verifiable information shows KADENA cost could beat the forecasts of 2021 and register new highs. The future conjecture framework is bullish on computerized resources than currency market instruments and government-issued types of money. Individual financial backers as well as searching for productive future interests in digital currencies. KADENA, KDA, value forecast 2022. In view of our KDA figure, the cost of KADENA will contact a greatest cost of $9.95 in 1 year or less. The typical cost of KADENA/KDA may be around $9.25. Clients ought to contribute at the ongoing value levels to procure strong returns and their general portfolio development. KADENA value expectations 2023. According to the KADENA figure, the cost could exchange around $9.34 in 2023. The KDA cost gauge shows that KADENA's worth might arrive at the most extreme value level of $11.06 by 2023. According to the KADENA gauge, it will be a productive speculation choice for the future whenever contributed at the ongoing cost levels. KADENA value expectation 2024. Dealers can purchase KADENA to get a gigantic return as the cost might exchange around $12.04 toward the finish of 2024. KADENA coin cost expectations shows the typical cost at $10.61 for the year. KADENA, KDA, value expectation 2025. It will contact $13.63 toward the finish of 2025. Dealers accept to put resources into KADENA to get an arrival of a most extreme value level of $14.54 in the year 2025, which is over 2 times the ongoing worth. KADENA/KDA expectations are very bullish for 2025. KADENA value forecast 2026. In the year 2026, value remedy is estimated by our cryptographic money forecast. The cost of KADENA is anticipated to be at around a base worth of $11.48. The KADENA cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $13.84 with a typical cost of $12.77, which would be similarly low than the